Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Chizzy. God bless you for stopping by. In today's video, I will be showing you the few things I made in the month of November. Actually, I didn't make much garments in November. So the first thing I made in the month of November is this lovely jacket I am putting on. This is a very interesting pattern. It's a very beautiful pattern to make. I so much love how everything turned out. Although the pattern is not that, it's a straightforward pattern, but it has lots of pieces to put together because of the design. As you can see, it has two different fabric and you have to cut out this fabric and then start joining them together. But it's a very straightforward pattern. Once you cut out your pattern, they are not that difficult to put together. Okay, so this one I use 1.5 meter of fabric for the black and also 1.5 meter of fabric for the contrasting fabric. Although I didn't finish the contrasting fabric, but the black one is finished, and that is why you see my pattern. That is why you see my belt is like this. Okay, it's like this because I had to join it together. And when I discovered that the black fabric isn't enough for my sash, okay, pattern says cut 2 for the back, upper back, and then the lower back. But me, I didn't see any need of cutting them 2 and then joining them back together again. So I decided to cut my upper back and my lower back on fold, okay, instead of cutting it into 2. So I cut them on fold. So that is why my back pattern is without the seam line at the back. Okay, another thing about this pattern also is that you have to hand stitch a lot. After hand stitching the hem, you will also hand stitch the lining to the hem. Same thing applicable to the sleeves. Okay, you hand stitch it and then you hand stitch the lining to the sleeve. So it's just a pattern that you just have to be patient. The pattern has pocket. I so much love the pocket, and I love my jacket, the inside of my jacket. So everything about this jacket really turned out so beautifully. Okay, the next thing I made is this beautiful sweater, turtleneck sweater I am putting on. I drafted the pattern myself and it's very easy to put together. Just the front piece, the back piece, the sleeve, and then the neck piece, and you are good to go. It's super easy to make, very easy to make, and everything turned out so beautifully. Another thing I made is this beautiful jacket I made with McCall's pattern. It's also easy pattern to make, but the only problem and challenges I had while making this pattern, it was just messing up the whole house. I don't know if I will be making this pattern again, but if I will be making it, I will get fabric that won't mess up the whole place like this. Okay, otherwise the instruction is very easy to follow and very straightforward and easy to put together, even with the lining. Okay, the next one I made is also this beautiful top. I've used this pattern severally and I love it, so I just picked this one from my stash, this fabric from my stash, and then I decided to make this pattern, and I love how it turned out. I just like everything about this pattern. So simple and so easy to just put on, especially this weather that everywhere is very cold. It's really freezing here right now. So these are the few things I managed to make in November. I thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed for more video updates. I will see you in my next video. From me, from here, it is good afternoon and have a lovely weekend. Bye bye.